Welcome to Chicago, the city of deep dish pizza, world-class architecture, and the sparkling shores of Lake Michigan. If you are planning your first visit, here is everything you need to know to explore the Windy City with ease. Most visitors arrive through O'Hare International Airport, about 17 miles from downtown, or Midway Airport, which is closer but smaller. From O'Hare, you can take the Blue Line train directly into downtown in about 45 minutes. From Midway, use the Orange Line. Both options are affordable and reliable. In the city, public transportation is excellent. The CTA system of trains and buses covers the entire city. Get a Ventra card or use contactless payment for easy rides. The L trains, short for elevated, are iconic and efficient. Taxis, Uber and Lyft are widely available. Driving is not recommended for first-timers because of heavy traffic and expensive parking. Walking is easy in neighborhoods like the Loop, River North, and the Magnificent Mile. If you want to see the skyline from a different angle, try a water taxi along the Chicago River. Chicago is proud, hardworking, and welcoming. Locals are passionate about their neighborhoods, their food, and their sports teams. Expect direct but friendly conversations. Midwestern manners are real. A quick hello, please, or thank you goes a long way. Chicago is famous for its deep dish pizza, but you should also try a Chicago-style hot dog, no ketchup, and Italian beef sandwiches. Summer brings street festivals and lakefront activities, while winter transforms the city with Christmas markets and ice skating. Music is a big part of local life. Blues, jazz, and house music were born here. Catch live performances any night of the week. Start downtown in the Loop. Visit Millennium Park and see Cloud Gate, better known as the Bean. Walk over to the Art Institute of Chicago, home to masterpieces like American Gothic and Nighthawks. Explore Navy Pier for entertainment, shopping, and lake views. Take a ride on the Centennial Wheel if the weather is clear. The Chicago Riverwalk is perfect for a stroll, or you can book an architecture boat tour to learn why Chicago's skyline is so unique. Head to Willis Tower, formerly Sears Tower, and step onto the Skydeck's glass ledge if you are feeling brave. For a local, neighborhood feel, visit Lincoln Park Zoo, explore the boutiques in Wicker Park, or eat your way through Pilsen, known for its vibrant Mexican culture and murals. In the evening, catch a comedy show at Second City, where many famous comedians got their start. Weather can change quickly. Bring layers even in the summer, and be prepared for chilly winds. Off the lake, plan to use public transportation and walking for most of your travel. It is faster and more affordable than renting a car. Tipping is standard, 15 to 20% at restaurants, and about $1 to $2 per drink at bars. Keep an eye on safety. Stick to well-traveled areas, especially at night, and use rideshare apps rather than hailing random cabs. Expect big crowds during summer events like Taste of Chicago or Lollapalooza. Plan your accommodations and major tickets well in advance. And finally, make time to try real Chicago pizza, but be patient. A true deep dish can take up to 45 minutes to bake, and it is worth every minute. Chicago combines big city energy with Midwestern warmth. It is a place of bold flavors, stunning architecture, proud neighborhoods, and endless lakefront views. Enjoy your trip to the Windy City